Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be looking at the chart for HIMS and HERS. They have been on the news today and the market have had a significant reaction. It all started today, Monday, June 23rd, when Novo Nordisk terminated the collaboration with HIMS and HERS due to deceptive marketing. Strong words. And let's have a look at what this has meant for the price action. First of all, with HIMS, this is the monthly chart started from 2019 to date. And what we can see here is that we have had a strong bullish momentum all the way from end of 2023, where we have had higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and so on. So a very strong momentum to the upside. And if we go to the weekly chart, we can see again here that the bullish momentum has reached this level here. And after that we had a significant sell-off to the downside, where we actually made a bearish market structure on the weekly, taking out the liquidity at this level here. However, we took out the liquidity, but instead of continuing downwards, we made a bullish market structure reversal, and that was confirmed when we closed above this level here. So I didn't really have this on my watch list. I just found out about this stock after it made the news from this massive move to the upside, which was about, I think, from the bottom here to the top is 175%. I mean, that is significant. And if I would have had this on my watch list, I would most likely have considered a high conviction trade after closing the weekly above this level, 35.85. I would most likely either way have missed this trade because I would have expected a retracement down to the weekly bullish order block, which would look something like this. There we go. But that did not happen, and instead we have this move to the upside, and then we were ranging in this area for a couple of weeks. With the close last week, it actually looked like we would continue higher, but instead we have this news from Novo Nordisk, which dropped this stock at 25% at the open, and then continuing downwards to a maximum of 34.38%, and we're currently at a minus 31%, heading lower most likely. So here I'm expecting at least this level to get tapped. This would be a high conviction level for me. And if we are moving down towards this $39 range, I could also see that we would move lower, so we could finally possibly have a test of this bullish weekly order block here before moving either higher or lower. So what I would like to see is that we in the next coming weeks make our way down to tap this level here. Maybe we get a retracement up. I don't think we will fill this gap here, but most likely we will have a move to the upside, and then possibly moving down, retesting this weekly order block, and then depending if we are making a new bullish reversal pattern on the weekly, I could see this as a high conviction trade to the upside, but it could also be that we're breaking down completely. We have to wait and see. So for me right now, I'm not trading this stock. I would be waiting for either a aggressive entry if we would tap this weekly order block, or for a high conviction trade that could be formed on the weekly time frame, either after taking this level $39 or lower from this order block level. So let me know, are you already positioned in HIMS? Are you thinking of trading it? Have you exited? Let me know in the comments below, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.